Good morning, student. This is Nagendra Kumar, your computer teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy with your family. In last three videos, I had explained the one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. I have also explained how to define one and two-dimensional array and how can we input data element in 1D array and 2D array. Now in this video I am going to discuss Java program on one dimensional array or 1D array. So my today's program is write a program in Java to accept 20 different numbers in a single dimensional array. Display the sum of all the numbers which are divisible by either 3 or 5. Means we have to find the sum of all the elements of one dimensional array which is divisible by 3 or 5. So how can we solve this program? To solve this program, first we have to declare the 1D array of size 20. Then we accept 20 different numbers in this 1D array using for loop. The main logic of this program is to traverse the array and check the elements one by one. If an element is divisible by 3 or 5, then add the element's value with the sum so far and continue this process while the end of the array reached. Now start coding of this program using BlueJ. So first of all I have to import utility package java.utl.star for the scanner class. Then I have to define a class sum. I have taken a name sum. Then I have to declare the main method public static void main, and within the parameter string of, then first I have to declare the object of a scanner class. Scanner.in is equal to new scanner system.in then semicolon. Then I have defined two variables, one I for the loop and s for the sum. Now after that I have to declare the a one dimensional array m of size 20, new int 20. I have given 20 inside the subscript. This will declare array, one dimensional array which have 20 elements. Now I have to input number within this array. I is equal to 0, I is less than 20, I plus plus. And within this I have given a message system dot out dot println enter the number. Then m, then subscript I is equal to in dot next end. By this for loop we have to input 20 elements in 20 numbers in 20 elements. We have to input 20 numbers in 20 elements in array. Now our task is to traverse the one dimensional array. I is equal to 0, I is less than 20. Once again I have taken the loop, and each time I have increased the loop. But here we have to check each element one by one. Is it divisible by 3 or not? So mi remainder 3 equal to 0, or we have to check m then element remainder 5 equal to 0. And if it is divisible, then we have to store s is equal to s plus this element we have to store inside the variable s. In this way we check if the number is divisible by 3 or 5, it is stored inside the mi. And finally we have to print system.out.println the sum of numbers divisible by 3 or 5. And then we print the s. Then finally we have to close the main method and finally the class. Now we compile and check for the errors. So there is no any error in this program. So we go for the execution, and where I have to execute this program, it asks 20 number one by one. So I have to enter 2 in each time. So sum of number divisible by 3 or 5. So here I have entered 2 only. So none of the number is divisible by 0. So sum of the number is from the 0. Once again we have to input another value. Once again I have to run this program with the different number, 15, then 4, then 5, 6, 8, 12, 45, it is also divisible, 78, 30, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 7. So it displays the sum of all the numbers divisible by 3 and 5. So student, in this way we display the sum of number which is divisible by 3 or 5. So students, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.